Hi, my name is Nur Alina Shafika Meti Saifuddin, and I'm gonna summarize what I understand from this subject. We have the second law of thermodynamics, psychometrics, mixing process, and heat transfer through the building. From the second law of thermodynamics, there is two statements, which is Kevin Plane's statements and Clausius's statement. Kevin Plane stated it is impossible if a system which operates in thermodynamic cycle produce work by receiving heat from one heat sink only, while Clausius stated that it is impossible to construct a device that operates in a cycle and produce no effect other than the transfer of heat from a lower temperature body to higher temperature body. Okay, next is about psychometry, which is in psychometry we have dew point temperature, which is the water vapor in the air will be saturated when the temperature equals to the saturation temperature corresponding to the partial pressure exerted by the water vapor. So in this chapter, we will calculate the psychometry manually, so we can find the humidity ratio, relative humidity, and specific volume. There is also psychometric charge, which is we can calculate from the chart. From the chart, we can get the absolute temperature, wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, and dew point temperature. Next, this is mixing process, which is have cooling and dehumidification. So in dehumidification, there is four methods, which is cooling the air below the dew point temperature. Next, using absorption process, using absorption materials, and compress and cool the air. Finally, we have heat transfer through one building, which is there are three types of heat transfer, which is convection, conduction, and radiation. There is also homogeneous and non-homogeneous.